Whenever I got a call for guy's got a problem with his AC. I worked on a house before. I know he's got a GOODMAN. He's got a GOODMAN unit underneath his porch there, if I recall. So we're gonna go over there, and I don't know if it's the condenser or what the deal is, but something's going on with his AC. I know he's got a bunch of dogs over there. Hopefully she's got him tied up. So we'll see. I gotta go out that way anyway to fix another job, so we're on our way over there. Maybe we can help the guy out. No AC. Let's put a new filter in there. Fan's working. And should be on fan automatic.
Yeah.
You on fan on, fan's gonna run all the time. We got on cooling. That's 72. Okay, and we'll check it outside. Okay. So fan automatic is where I would leave it.
Okay.
All right, we'll check it outside, find out what's going on with it. It's still off on delay. Capacitor's all puffed. Wow, look at these stink bugs. Stink bugs. Yeah, the capacitor's all puffed. Look at it. She's a puffy one, mama. That's a problem. Let's see if it starts. Nope. Its capacitor's bad. I can see it's all puffed. It's a 45.5, right? Or is it a 40? 45.5. This looks like my eyes in the morning. A little puffy. Alright, Mom, it's a capacitor. We can fix that. Very easy. Simple. 45.5. That's the one. Alright, so that's definitely a capacitor that's bad. And I got the power off. I got it so it's not going to fall. Because the contactor's pulled in. I got the power off, but we don't want to ruin anything. See how puffy it is? That's our problem. Alright, so we got a new one here. Been a couple of years since I've been here. I think I might have changed that same exact one a couple of years ago. Alright, so the yellow is the compressor. It's the 3-prong. That's the Herm. That's the 3-prong. I want to make sure them are nice and tight. The brown is the fan, which is the 2-prong. This is the 2. And the other 2 are the common. Purple is for the fan. And the red is coming off the contactor. Red coming off the contactor, and then the purple. I mean, how hot is that? And we'll get it back together. Flipping hot out, I can feel it. Alright, I gotta boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Let's see if we can have this so we can see the reading. She should fire right up now because it's calling. And Houston, we have ignition. GOODMAN. I have to stop a GOODMAN. I have to stop a GOODMAN now. Yeehaw. Nice and warm coming out of here. Here a couple of years ago, same problem. Nice and warm. Oh yeah, it's gonna be fine. Nice and sweaty already, see it? Look at this 3/4 coming in. What a fancy job.